Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 III, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's enter the contact list, for example using the dialer, and tap on the contact you'd like to edit. Now let's tap on edit contact and choose this camera icon right in the middle. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which you can choose. So you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and you're able to catch a photo. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it. And as you can see here, you can decide where you want to complete this action. So I will pick Google Photos. And as you can see, here we have to find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. And from this step, we can adjust the size of the square and the position of the photo. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. Of course, you can zoom in or out the photo just like you want to. You can also rotate it. So it's really up to you how you want to set it. And if you're happy with the results, just tap on Save Copy. As you can see, it appears right here. So remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the contact. You can see it also on the contact list, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from the number. So actually, this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your SONY Xperia 1 III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.